We're starting to get to about 105 right now. We're starting to see some reservoirs bloom up, and when the reservoirs bloom up, a lot of this algae will end up in the filter stations, which will clog up your filter stations, and some of that algae passes through the filter stations getting to your drip lines, and that will end up plugging up either riser screens or plugging up your emitters, resulting in some sort of shock treatment in your drip lines, or possibly shocking your reservoir before it becomes a bigger issue in your filter station. So right now what we're doing is we're treating this reservoir. We treat this reservoir about 3 times a year. Once in the beginning of the year, once when it starts to get pretty hot, and then usually once towards the end of the year. It tends to keep the algae down. They have 3 large reservoirs out here, and we usually do all 3. Probably about, like I said, once every 3 or 4 months, and it's able to control all the algae.